I'm going to try to talk to you. See what I just said? You were expecting more, but I didn't give it to you. And I'm trying to communicate. So as strong as you felt that, that's how much I intended it to be felt. And that's what we have to do whenever we're playing. We have to intend and we have to hear the ideas as a statement that we're trying to use to communicate ideas, feelings, and emotions. Hey, I have a question for you. Do you sometimes find yourself soloing and not really feeling what you're doing, or playing a lot of stuff but you're not really into anything that you're playing? If that's you, then I have a great exercise for you that I think will help you really start to engage in everything you're doing and mean what you play. Hey everyone, my name is Quincy Davis, and welcome back to another Jazz Drummer Q-Tip of the Week, where I break down and demonstrate various jazz techniques, concepts, and approaches that can be applied to any genre or style that you're most interested in. Before we jump into the lesson, I just want to give a quick shout out to a student of mine and wonderful drummer in Germany named Lennart. This lesson is kind of inspired by a wonderful lesson that we had earlier this week. So thanks, Lennart. I learned from my students, and hopefully my students learn from me. All right, now for the lesson. Whoa. Yes. Ooh. Oh. So did you notice I was not using this guy? I wasn't using my left hand, and that was on purpose, obviously. So the idea is that you're limited to how many notes you can play by virtue of only being able to play with one hand, okay? And the idea is not to say, okay, well, since I can only play with one hand, how many notes can I play with that one hand? That's not the idea. The idea is to play using musical devices like melody, right? And phrasing and motifs and cross rhythms and call and response. You probably heard some call and response between the bass drum and the snare drum. Conversation, all these kinds of things. And what happens is the fewer notes we play, the more we have to make the notes that we play count. The fewer notes we play, the more we have to make the notes that we actually play count. Space is a big, big device that a lot of us do not take advantage of. And it's amazing the tension and the attention that space creates. Ooh, okay. Space. Say more with less. Say more with less. And that's kind of the gist behind this whole exercise. So let's see what I can say. Oh, that was real cool. Here we go. One hand. Oh yeah? Okay. Yes. Oh yeah? You can do the same exercise and move it around. Oh. All right, so that's the lesson. I hope this was helpful in getting you to think of ways that you can say more with less and play what you mean what you play. All right? As always, I love hearing from you guys. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button, leave comments, say what's up to me. I try to get back to everybody. And of course, if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, because I'll definitely be coming out with more videos that I know will be helpful for you. Until the next time, take care, keep swinging, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Say less with more. No, that's not right.